This is the 15 to 16 elevator, brand new elevator at the newly renovated, newly opened LiveWell Apartments in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Savaria Orion MRL traction Lula elevator. This is my very first MRL traction Lula elevator. Yeah, I guess let's translate. Look how shallow that pit is by the drywall. I think you might see the hoist motor. Yeah, this is going from floor 15 to 16, but yet here it says 1 and 2, and the indicator bit says G and 1. So we'll go up to the top floor, which is 16, not 2. Here we go, the braille is right there. Here, our slowest MRL elevator I've ever been on, because it's a little, it has to go 30 feet a minute by code. Bouncy. Most of the roped hydros are not this bouncy. It's creaky. Here at the top. Lights off, no one's been here in a while. Go back down to the bottom. Basic stainless steel cab. It's a tin can cab, but it's a little, what do you expect? This elevator does not feature fire service, but I don't think it needs fire service. If so, this is where, or maybe somewhere else, I'm not sure. Here back at the bottom. It does look pretty quick level, which is nice. How close is it? That's gonna be good.